Wow, wow, wow. This is absolutely incredible. This is amazing. $5.82 for the DYM token. Dymension mainnet went live last night. We have a price. It got listed on all exchanges. Crazy volumes, crazy price. $5.82. That means $5.8 billion fully diluted market cap. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to each and every one of you, for all bad kids holders, for all atom stakers, for all cosmonauts that got this airdrop. You must be sitting on at least 4 figures, maybe even 5-figure airdrop. Big congratulations. And I want you to really take this moment right now to really think back 6 months ago, 7-8 months ago, the depths of the bear market. We survived the Terra crash, the UST collapse. We survived USDC depegging. Remember that signature banks collapsing, a bank run. We were told that crypto is going to die. We'll never recover from this. People surrendered. People exited our industry. Here we are. We survived. We deserve this so bad. Well, in today's video, I actually want to remind you of that. I want to remind you to the pain we went through in the bear market, because it is very easy to throw out and forget all that pain we went through, and to throw out your standards for doing research and for sticking to your financial game plan, because people are just wild in this industry, to put it like that, right? There is a huge narrative around DYM right now, of course, around airdrops. There's going to be this huge roll-up ecosystem. There's going to be a lot of airdrops, so sticking DYM makes a lot of sense. And I agree. But guys, I said in a previous video 2 weeks ago, my personal airdrop strategy, DYM above $3 is a gift. It might make sense to consider cashing in some of that airdrop money. Above $3 to $4, $5 even, which is where it is now, almost at $6, I think it makes sense to cash in some of that free money as a compensation, a reverse compensation for having survived the bear market. I don't think there's anything bad with that. I, so far, personally, have not touched my DYM right yet, because also the chain went live late at night where I was. So last night I just went to sleep. I did a small stake, obviously to our validator Stakecito. We also have a tutorial today from Liam, so you're going to learn all about that. But I didn't even get to sell anything yet. But I will cash in probably 30 to 40% of my airdrop, because it just makes sense. And if you need money right now, if you have to pay bills or want to like diversify, whatever, consider doing the same, right? I don't think there's anything bad around that. It makes sense, right? And $5.8 billion valuation for a chain that just went live is a lot, but also Dymension is really amazing, right? Huge community, choppy launch, I will say that. There's a thread from Chorus One. First they messed something up. Now we have this mysterious big brain staking validator that has 28-30% of the voting power. I think at some point it was over 60%, which is nuts, but probably the lead investor in the first round of Dymension. I think the price for the first round was 5 cents. But yeah, this is nuts. So congratulations. DYM obviously listed on all major exchanges now, as I told you weeks ago. Binance Turkish lira is the second trading pair here. $45 million in trading volume with the Turkish lira alone. Nuts. Bybit, Maxi, BingX, KuCoin, Get.io, BitGet. Listed absolutely everywhere, left and right, 65%. Now people always say, okay, this is going to be the next Celestia, the next TIA, right? And you really regret selling TIA at $3, $4, or even at $2 when it came out, right? I personally, like I said to you continuously, I don't think generalizing a previous airdrop and kind of like determining a strategy for every future airdrop makes a lot of sense. Every single airdrop needs to be like evaluated and assessed on an individual basis. And you also have to think that Dymension is kind of a Celestia ecosystem project, right? So I think the benchmark for Dymension is not actually TIA, but rather Manta or Altlayer. And I think we're way above those valuations. I think Manta and Altlayer are both at around 3 to 4 billion valuations, which is also already crazy. But it's just another level, right? So with that in mind, Dymension, congratulations. I told you guys here in this video, you can rewatch this from last week. My strategy, again, I haven't done anything yet. I was extremely busy today. I went sleeping last night when the chain went live after we set up the node. So I haven't done anything yet, but I will certainly cash in some DYM at this price. It's just amazing. You can actually do that also. If you don't have DYM and you really, really believe in it and you want to buy it at 6 billion fully diluted valuation, you can do that here on Osmosis, actually. There is also DEX liquidity. DYM is also fully IBC compatible. It actually broke some IBC channels last night. So the IBC channels from DYM to Osmosis were severely overloaded. So people were just waiting for hours and their coins were not showing up in their wallet. So people were panicking and freaking out. But IBC is one of the safest, actually the safest interoperability standard in the world. So no coins have ever been lost, and hopefully no coins will ever be lost, of course. This was just due to heavy congestion on the chain. But also, I think it's important to understand, like, if this happens, it doesn't overload other chains, right? It's just those channels between Dymension and Osmosis in that case. But other channels like, I don't know, Atom to Secret or Atom to whatever, Atom to Injective, right? They weren't affected from this, right? I think this is very important to understand, like, how architecturally this whole app chain thesis and IBC is actually working in reality, right? You can also provide liquidity here, 50%, 68% respectively. Liquidity is still relatively thin. If you got a 5-figure airdrop and you want to sell, I think there's some significant slippage here. So beware of that. Don't just sell here quickly. But yeah, we, like I said, joined with Stakecito. It still is heavily competitive, extremely competitive, this set. 45,000 DYM tokens is right now the bottom of the set, which means the entry barrier, if you want to run a DYM node, is right now 45,000 DYM, which at a price of $5 is like 250K almost. So that's crazy. That is absolutely crazy within not even a full day after launch. But yeah, we are ranked 52, 261,000 DYM. Thank you so much for every single one of you, for all your delegations. We're growing fast. We're a bit late to the party, but we're growing fast. We're there. Cito fam is in the house. And now we rely on you guys. We sincerely rely on you to get us up in the set, to get Stakecito up in the set. So yeah, thank you a lot for that. And in fact, also, we're going to look into a tutorial that Liam made. In a second, I'm actually going to play you the full tutorial that Liam made. I think this really helps, and prepare for that, get your wallets ready, and do this with him in real time, right? Because he's always doing this in real time, every single small step on the way explained. You can also go check out the portal, the Dymension portal. You saw it's already on Mintscan, but you can also check out everything here and play around here on the portal directly. Also starts around the staking APR, 65% is quite decent. I think that might be something where you say, okay, I'm happy with my airdrop. I think $6 might be a lot, but what if it goes down to $3, $4? It's not a huge dump that I'm expecting, but I want to just like stake and forget. I want to lock in my airdrop, stake it, forget about it, optimize for airdrops, and also just cash in that sweet staking APR. That can also be a strategy, right? And I really challenge, I want you guys to have your own strategy, right? I have my own strategy, but these days, like I said to you, I'm not able to 100% go deep into all these things and really work and refine my personal strategies with this stuff, because I'm doing way too many things at a time. And Cosmo is coming up, Stakecito, Cryptocito content, like preparing for the videos and those kind of things. So I wish I had much more time to like really make the perfect strategy for myself, because that's what I did in 2020, and it was incredibly rewarding. But yeah, I also rely on your feedback and your input, what your strategies are, what is the hot narrative around the roll apps that are coming up for Dymension, right? But I mean, the numbers are insane, right? 468,000 active accounts. You see the Twitter is just on a different level. It's like dominating crypto Twitter right now, left and right. And it's just amazing. We also have two big things. Well, first of all, Ran Neuner, Crypto Banter, the Banter fam. You guys know I've been on his channel. Actually, a lot of you guys that are subscribing now are actually from the Banter fam. So much love to all of you guys. It really had a huge impact on this channel, on my personal motivation, because you have to think like you're making videos because you want people to see your videos, right? And the more people are watching these videos, the more happy you get, the more excited you get, right? Because this is why you do it. I do these videos for you guys, and I want to reach more people. And Ren has been a huge role in boosting visibility for my content massively, right? We just 3x'd our viewership, engagement, interactions, comments, everything, people watching the premiere. So thanks for that. It's been an honor to meet Ren. And I actually not just met him, I also onboarded him to the Shisha train. It's a different seminar, but great guy, very, very like helpful, very like he's listening. He wants to like think from our perspective, what we have in mind for customers. Obviously, right here is Basil from customers, and also Zach, Stake and Relax, Crypto Chuck here, also running a validator and also part of the customers team. And then also shout out to Dave from the Banter fam. So it's been great to meet them in person and to see how they operate and everything, right? And also listen to their advice. So then we have two big announcements, namely, number one, that Karim has joined us as a DevOps engineer at Stakecito. So he's going to make sure that our chains and validators are running safe and sound and smooth. He has a background in software engineering and has been in Cosmos now for a couple of months. He's also been at Hackmos. So yeah, great that he decided to join us. I think that's a big win. And yeah, you can also follow him on Twitter, Karnasar Music. And yeah, ask him questions, engage with him, whatever you want. And that's it. Yeah, so that's number one. Number two, we also have another new member on the team, which is Winfred. Winnie, she is actually the ex-CMO over at Anoma, Namada, and she is very excited to work with us. I think it's a huge win for us, of course, with her experience in Namada, Anoma, right? Big project by itself. So if you think we had a lot of alpha so far, like Winnie is going to bring it to the next level. So yeah, she's going to be our new governance lead and also doing marketing and business development. We also have a full rebrand coming up for the Stakecito brand with a new website. We will definitely keep this logo though, but I think it will be most likely kind of downgraded as the mascot of Stakecito. So all the monikers will still remain as is, but we're doing a bit of a rebrand with Stakecito. So stay tuned for that. And now I'm going to leave you with Liam and his 5 minutes or less Dime staking tutorial.
All right, welcome back, cosmonauts. This is Liam here from Stakecito. I'm coming at you with a quick tutorial on how to stake your DYM tokens, your dimes. Let's get right into it today. Now, the first thing you need to do is actually add the Dymension chain to either MetaMask or Kepler. So if you're a MetaMask user, this is how you do it. Firstly, head over to chainlist.org. There's chainlist.org, link in the video description. And now just simply search the network that you're looking for, which is Dymension in this case. Make sure you've got your MetaMask wallet ready on web browser. Hit connect wallet. This will actually prompt you to accept adding the chain to your MetaMask wallet. Simply select next once you're happy with the account connecting. Hit connect to connect to the site, and then hit approve to add the network, and now switch network as shown on screen. If you're on Kepler, simply open your Kepler wallet to add this chain to the wallet. Next, go to the drop-down bars on the left-hand side, go to Manage Chain Visibility. It will take you to the extension. And now all you're going to do is simply search for the Dymension chain, click the box just here, and now hit save. You've successfully added the chains to your wallet. Now, just for those of you who may want to move your tokens, if you want to get tokens from MetaMask over to your Kepler or Leap wallet, simply go over to your Leap or Kepler wallet and now hit the copy address button that you see on the wallet just here. Next, search for the Dymension chain and you'll see two different addresses appear. Copy the address formatted 0x, so simply hit the copy button, and now head back over to your MetaMask wallet, which you should have already added the Dymension chain for. Hit the send button, paste your Kepler wallet address into the send box, and now select how many tokens you wish to send over. I'm going to send over 100, so simply hit next. Now confirm the transaction, approving the fees, which should be pretty low unless the network is congested, and now wait for that transaction to go through. Once it does, you would have sent your tokens from your MetaMask wallet over to Kepler or Leap. Now, while we wait for that to go through, if anyone knows how to send tokens from your Kepler wallet or Leap wallet over to the MetaMask address for Dymension, do leave a comment for us in the video description, and we'll actually pin the way to do this in the comments section of this video, so do look out for that. So I'm going to show you now how to stake your DYM tokens now you've added the chain to Kepler or MetaMask. Simply head over to Dymension.xyz. We'll put a link to that in the video description, and now hit enter portal on the website. This is going to take you over to this page just here. And the next thing you're going to go ahead and do is connect your wallet. And this process is the same for Leap Wallet, Kepler, or MetaMask, so it doesn't matter which one you use. Hit the connect button. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate this process with Kepler Wallet. So connect with the wallet that you choose, approving the connection request that appears on your wallet. And you're already on the Dymension tab just here, so make sure you're on the Dymension tab and then head over to staking. Once you do this, you'll be able to select a validator that you wish to stake with. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be delegating to Stakecito, but do select a validator which you like. Once you've selected Stakecito or another validator, hit the stake button just next to this. You can also search them in the bar, but hit stake once you're ready, and now select the amount of DYM tokens you want to stake. In this tutorial, I'm going to stake 50 tokens, but select the amount that's right for you. Hit the stake button, then approve the transaction request that appears in MetaMask, Kepler, or Leap. And then once this goes through, you will have successfully staked your DYM tokens. You may get a little notice to say transactions are taking longer than usual. Just be patient. If this happens, your transaction will go through with time. Once you've got that confirmation, you'll be able to see the validators that you've staked with just here. Leave a comment down below as to which validators you're staking with. We hope to see a lot of Stakecito in the comments. However, that is everything in today's video. So if you did find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, consider delegating to support us. And as always, cosmonauts, we'll see you in the next video. We appreciate every single one of you. See you soon, and good luck with hunting your airdrops and earning that juicy APY on Dymension staking.